Have you ever caught yourself living in fear without even realizing it? Like you're showing up, doing life, handling your business, but underneath it all, you're waiting for the worst. That's how I was living. I didn't call it fear, but deep down, that's exactly what it was. And it was robbing me of peace, joy, and growth. So today I want to share something that's been shifting everything for me. 5 simple habit shifts that took me from fear to faith. Before we dive in, just know this: I'm not here to preach at you. I'm walking with you. I'm not sharing this because I've mastered it. I'm sharing it because I'm living it. These small intentional changes I started making when I got tired of surviving and wanted to actually live again. And if you're in that place too, I got you. You're not alone. So here's the truth. Fear would disguise itself as caution. It'll wear the mask of wisdom or being realistic. But what it's really doing is keeping you from stepping fully into the life God has for you. It'll say things like, what if you fail? Or what will people think? And if you're not careful, you'll start shrinking your dreams, your voice, even your prayers just to play it safe. But here's the thing. I realized that fear never left me fulfilled. It just left me stuck and tired and bitter. So I started asking, what would it look like to build habits that feed my faith instead? And I'll be real with you, this wasn't about a massive life overhaul. It was about micro shifts, like number 1, starting my mornings with truth, not a scroll. I used to wake up and go straight to my phone. News, negativity, comparison, it all hit me before I even got out of bed. So now I grab truth first, even if it's just one verse, one prayer, one deep breath, reminding myself that I'm not walking into this day alone. Second, I stopped rehearsing worst case scenarios that used to be my default. What if this goes wrong? What if that happens? But faith says, what if this goes right? What if God shows up in a way I never expected? So now I flip the script when fear tries to write the story. The third shift, I started speaking life over myself out loud. I know it sounds cheesy, but there's power in your words. I say things like, God is with me. I'm built for this. I don't fear tomorrow because I know who holds it. And on the days I don't feel it, I speak it anyway until my feelings catch up to my faith. Number 4, I check who I'm listening to. Some people are just walking echoes of fear and doubt. If you're trying to grow in faith but constantly soaking in fear-filled voices, it's like trying to heal in a toxic environment. You got to protect your atmosphere. And last, I give myself grace on hard days. Faith doesn't mean you never feel afraid. It means you don't let fear have the final say. Some days I still struggle, but I've learned that faith is a muscle. The more I use it, the stronger it gets. So if you've been feeling stuck or low-key living in survival mode, I just want you to know there's a way forward. It starts small, one shift at a time, one habit, one prayer, one moment of choosing faith over fear. And here's the recap. Wake up with truth. Stop rehearsing fear. Speak life. Guard your inputs and give yourself grace. You got this. If this hit home at all today, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Not because numbers matter, but because I want to keep showing up for you with content that pushes you forward and reminds you that you're not in this fight alone. And if you know someone who needs this message, share it with them. Drop it in a text, a group chat, whatever. Let's be the kind of people who pass the encouragement forward, not keeping it to ourselves. Check out the other videos on this channel too. I've got more on faith, mindset, growth, all of it. This isn't just content, it's fuel, and I believe it can help someone you care about. Here, your growth matters. I'll see you in the next video.